How to remove location from Instagram post. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can remove location from your Instagram post, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to remove your location from your Instagram post, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Instagram app and then tap the profile icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right, so let's say that there is a particular photo that you have uploaded with a certain location, and now after you post that, you want to remove that location but without deleting the post. Well, let's see what we can do. First of all, we can tap the three dots option that you can find here and then tap the edit option. When you tap the edit option, just tap on that location here and you can see that location will get selected. Now what you have to do is just refresh it and then just don't do anything. Now just cross out like this, and now you can see that location will be removed, as now you can see it says add location. Now after you've done that, you can tap the arrow icon from the top right to save the changes and your location will get removed from your Instagram post. This way you can remove location from Instagram post. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.